Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by preparing your digital workspace and visual rules for MSM Style. Choose a canvas size of 2000 by 2000 pixels and a 300 dpi resolution. Use a hard round brush at 57px for line work and a soft airbrush at 3060px for shading. Establish a 16:9 composition and place the focal point on 1/3 from left. Set a neutral background. Enable symmetry if needed, and lock your base sketch layer to preserve shapes while refining. Build the character using simple geometric blocking before adding details. Block shapes with geometric forms: circle head 180px, torso rectangle 240 by 160px. Define exaggerated proportions: 1:6 head-to-body ratio and 3:5 eye spacing equivalent on canvas scale. Apply line weight variation: 2x thicker at outer contours versus inner details. Refine limb connections and facial planes, keeping gestures loose. Choose a tight color system to reinforce MSM aesthetic and keep contrast readable. Limit palette to 5 colors with a dominant hue at 60% saturation and one accent at 25%. Use multiply layer at 50% opacity for shadows and overlay at 20% for highlights. Add rim light with a small soft brush at 1015px and texture with a 3% opacity speckle brush. Export final image as PNG at 2000 by 2000px and save a PSD or layered file for future edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.